Hi. I was nominated by Chrissy Kilpatrick to read a children's book, so I'm going to read The Interrupting Chicken, one of my favorites, by David Ezra Stein. The Interrupting Chicken. It was bedtime for Little Red Chicken. Okay, my little chicken, said Papa. Are you ready to go to sleep? Yes, Papa, but you forgot something. What's that? Asked Papa. A bedtime story. Shoot. All right, said Papa. I'll read you one of your favorites. And of course, you are not going to interrupt the story tonight, are you? Oh, no, Papa. I'll be good. And they read Hansel and Gretel. Hansel and Gretel were very hungry. Deep in the woods, they found a house made of candy. Nibble, nibble, nibble. They began to eat the house until an old woman who lived there came out and said, What lovely children! Why don't you come inside? They were just about to follow her when out jumped the little red chicken, and she said, Don't go in, she's a witch! So Hansel and Gretel didn't. The end. Chicken? Yes, Papa. You interrupted the story. Try not to get so involved. I'm sorry, Papa, but she really was a witch. Well, you're supposed to be relaxing so you can go to sleep. Let's try another story. I'll be good. The next story was Little Red Riding Hood. Take this basket of goodies to Grandma, said Little Red Riding Hood's mother, but don't stray away from the path. The woods are full of danger. Red Riding Hood skipped along through the deep woods. By and by she met a wolf who wished her good morning. She was about to answer him when out jumped the Little Red Chicken, and she said, Don't talk to strangers. So Little Red Chicken didn't. Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood didn't. The end. Chicken? Yes, Papa. You did it again. You interrupted 2 stories and you're not even sleepy. I know, Papa, I'm sorry, but he was a mean old wolf. Yes, now get back into bed. Okay, Papa, let's try one more little story and I'll be good. And they picked Chicken Little. Chicken Little was hit on the head by an acorn. The sky is falling, she thought. She was about to run off and warn Goosey Lucy, Ducky Lucky, Henny Penny, and everyone on the farm that the sky was falling when out jumped the Little Red Chicken, and she said, Don't panic, it was just an acorn. So Chicken Little didn't. The end. Chicken? Yes, Papa. You did it again. Oh, Papa, I couldn't let that little chicken get all upset over an acorn. Please read one more story and I promise I'll fall asleep. But Chicken, said Papa, we're out of stories. Oh, no, Papa, I can't go to sleep without a story. Then said Papa, oh, yawning, why don't you tell me a story? Me tell stories, said Little Red Chicken. Okay, Papa, here we go. Bedtime for Papa. Once there was a little red chicken who put her papa to sleep. She read him 100 stories, but even gave him warm milk, but nothing worked. He stayed wide awake. All zzz, zzz. Papa? Zzz. Good night, Papa. The end. If you like that story, The Interrupting Chicken, you might want to get The Interrupting Chicken and the Elephant of Surprise. Maybe you can get it on Amazon. Have a good day.